Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix brightness is not changing on your Windows 11 laptop. So as you can see guys, same problem I also facing. So when I'm trying to change the brightness of my laptop, so the brightness scale was not working in my PC. So finally I have got the easy and very simple solutions to fix this issue. So when you are facing this type of problem guys, you need to try to change your brightness from your keyboard. So in your keyboard you can also get the option to change the brightness, as you can see guys. So from here you can also easily able to change that brightness. In case from your keyboard key the brightness was not changing, you can follow next method. Now you need to restart your Windows 11. Okay, after restarting, now let's see your problem was fixed or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, so now guys, in my case the problem was from my graphic card. So most of the reason is this, you can get the issue from your graphic card only. So just you need to uninstall the graphic card from your Windows 11. So open the device manager and here you can get the option display adapter, extend this, and here you can get the your graphic card. Just right click on it and here you can get the option uninstall device. After this guys, after uninstalling, just you need to restart your Windows 11 one time. After restarting guys, Windows 11 will automatically install the graphic card driver on your Windows 11. After doing this guys, now let's check your issue was solved or not. As you can see guys, now my problem was solved. So the brightness was changing on my laptop, as you can see guys. So in case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to press Windows key button and here you need to search your graphic card. So in my laptop I have Intel graphics, so just search your graphic card and open that application of your graphic card. Okay, and here you can get the option to update the graphic card. Here you can get the option updates, just click on it. If the graphic card update will available, from here you can easily update that graphic card driver. In case the graphic card update was not available, now what you need to do, open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. In the settings, go to Windows update, and if the Windows update was available, just you need to download and install that Windows update. After updating your Windows guys, it will update your all driver on your Windows 11 including your graphic card. So just you need to update your Windows 11, that's it. So this is the final solution. So these are the easy and very simple solution to fix this brightness issue on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.